Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove the battery from a Buick Encore. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. The battery in a Buick Encore is located under the hood, usually on the left side of the engine compartment. This is a standard location, making the process straightforward. Now, let's disconnect the battery terminals. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Always remove the negative cable first. This is a crucial safety step to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative cable is safely out of the way, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. With the cables disconnected, it's time to address the battery hold down. You'll find a clamp securing the battery firmly in place at its base. Grab a 13mm socket and carefully loosen the bolt that secures this hold-down clamp. Once the bolt is sufficiently loose, remove the entire hold-down clamp. This will fully free the battery from its compartment. Finally, it's time to extract the battery. Batteries can be quite heavy, often weighing around 35 pounds, so lift with care to avoid injury. Once the old battery is out, take a moment to clean the battery tray thoroughly. This ensures a clean and stable surface for your new battery, promoting a longer lifespan and better performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.